There's where that snow comes from, doesn't it?
Yep.
Utah white powder.
Yep.
Coming over the lake or the reservoir.
Hey, hon, bring me a plate.
Please, say please. This is great. This tree's blowing. And there's Wally cooking. Ooh, there's Charlie. What are you cooking up there, Wally? What is that? Turkey dogs?
Yeah, turkey sausage.
Do you like those, Charlie? Charlie, do you like
Chuck, come on.
Do you like them?
I closed the door after I saw that lightning bolt coming out. You guys went, wow.
Whoa!
I got it. I got it.
Whoa!
I got
Whoa!
I got
Whoa!
I got
Whoa!
I got
Whoa!
I got